KMR vlog. Yay. See those? We got vinyl wrapping. Postman dropped off the 3 new colors of all of the KMR garage cars. So this includes Shane's G37, my FRS, and the Mazda Presidio Winter Beater. Yes, we're gonna be changing the color of that too. For me, it's just delivery. I'm not gonna completely change my car from the green and black theme that I have going on. It's just an extra color I'm gonna be putting on top. So it's gonna be Shane's car and the Mazda Presidio that we're gonna actually be changing the entire color on. Sneak preview. Got blue chrome. Show you the other 2 colors when we get to the garage. I'm actually supposed to go pick up the new signs, which are going in the front of the store, which I designed weeks ago, but I'm only finding time now to actually get it done for us. So move things forward. Hopefully later today we can actually go pick up the signs and install them in the front of the store so it's a little more inviting.
Yes. Hi, YouTubes.
We're also opening the store today, so swing by. I know this video is posted later than when it was actually taken, but stop by anyway. See you guys at the garage. Actually, before we go to the garage, we gotta pick up the sign first. So we're here at Summit Signs. Let's go inside. Thanks. Dude, process. Oh man, this operation you got going on here is pretty intense.
Mention us, for sure.
Damn, so here's the sign. Comes in 2 pieces. That's sick.
Yeah, and this stuff's an aluminum composite, so you can drill through it, you can glue it.
Oh, that's perfect. Good to know, yeah.
Hang it up. Right?
Do your thing. Absolutely.
So that's kind of what you're into, the automotive kind of
Yeah,
odds and ends, I guess.
like I'm a freelance illustrator, so this is kind of my outlet to be able to do everything that I'm interested in. So yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, much appreciated, man.
Hey, you're welcome.
Again. Cool. Awesome, thank you. Yo, that green in this light is insane, dude. I'm excited.
We were grabbing the open signs, but this is
Now we just gotta see if this thing even fits. Yeah, if we stick it right in the center, standing up, we'll be able to fit it. Dude, those turned out. And we have the window decals here too. So, probably gonna try installing these today if we got time. See you guys at the garage for reals. Damn, we're late. And there's already a couple of cars in front of the store. Hey. Oh, fuck. Had to go through the back because this key wasn't opening the front. What the fuck? Hey, welcome. Yo, we got customers, man. What the heck? Now I feel bad for being late. These guys are probably chilling out there for like a good 40 minutes. We have to pick up the sign. There's a little bit of morning traffic, but we're here. Let's get this day started. This MX-3 is surprisingly pretty spacious. These signs are like 6 feet by 2. And the window decals. Hey, when it's nice outside, we'll install these on the front. All right, first customers of the day. Cool, we're just gonna come out to check out their cars. So 2017?
yeah, 2017.
So I mean, one of the main differences, what the heck?
Yeah, I put the black ones on. I just changed all the chrome just to like black it out basically.
Yeah, no, that's sweet. And then this one is your Civic?
Yeah.
Aside. Guys, pleasure.
Yeah.
Thanks for stopping by the store. Hope to see you again. That was cool. Coming in clutch. Brought us some bubble teas. Thank you, sir. More sugars. Steven came to have lunch with us. He's just on break right now. Time to check these out. Okay, so this is the vinyl wrap for all 3 garage cars. So we got gold chrome, more vanity stuff for the FRS, and then blue chrome, orange and black for the Presidio. Let's open these up. This is significantly cheaper than the Vivid vinyl wrap chrome, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but that is the reason why we're doing this comparison video, just so you guys might be able to save money. We'll see. That's it. Also promised myself that I would pretty up the 2 rooms in the front, which is supposed to be a gallery space. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be recreating my year 4 grad piece from art college, which is pretty much this robot bust. It's a wearable armor that is basically pedestaled on top of this plinth, this custom King's Mr. Raz plinth that was hella expensive to make and took me almost a month to build. And if I can find the video or if I can find the vlog, I know for a fact that I still have that entire process all filmed. If I can find that folder, I'll put it together and it'll be a long lost vlog of me making my grad piece for our college. So yeah, there's 3 more pieces of this in the front room. I'll show you. What the hell? Would you like to buy a seat, sir? Is it comfy? Compared to the bride, man, I prefer that. Alright, so we go into this front room. Those pieces over there. And then there's a white piece. And this is the acrylic box that goes on top of the armor, which showcases the bust. And then in the front here, it's gonna be like a waiting room kind of thing, or just a chill out area. So gallery space. Go into here. This is the garage area. And then you go upstairs, mezzanine. That is where the store is gonna be. Just chilling, and I noticed this recognizable FRS outside, so we're gonna say hi. Yo, yo.
Hey, good to see you. Long time.
You too, yeah, welcome guys,
Happy New Year.
welcome. You too.
In the same store, we were just like,
Yeah.
hey, I'm gonna come today, I'm gonna come tomorrow, and then it just never came together.
All right, look we have in the shop, Streets and Peaks.
Hey, how's it going? Good.
Nice. This is the man who was able to lend me his FRS for one of the last shows of last year's season, so gotta hand it to him, man. His FRS is actually pretty sweet, so if you guys want to follow him, I'll put his social media right here. Give him a follow.
Awesome, thanks, man.
Also has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, Streets and Peaks.
This is actually like a one-off of our Luffy design where they printed his face on the front, and this saying, which is like, I have friends, I have Nakama, is on the front, but there's only one of these in the world because it was accidentally printed on an extra small, so super rare, but now I have to let it go.
It's too bad, like, you guys rather run, like, you came and brought the car that time, because when I was in Whistler, I did business with a lot of artists, and so I've got like some commissions I've done, and
Oh,
like
nice.
some big like 4x6.
Check this beast out. Oh, you got the infamous splitter. Shout outs locals. Hey.
The super custom
Front splitter?
3-piece splitter, but
honestly,
the middle
yeah.
piece is missing.
Cut it out like to design. That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, that's just how it's not.
Super sweet. All right, Jack, peace out, man. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, pleasure. Always. Thank you. Thanks for the mad support. Nice. Got that diffuser in here too. Custom diffuser. This is my old Nurse spec spoiler. So clean. Yay, sign day. Yo, that's legit, man. All right, now to see if we can fit that up on that. Yeah, that's a pretty snug fit. They made it so it would fit exactly within that area. Yeah, all right.
I gotta take this one out.
Yeah, back to the drawing board. They actually made this sign a little bit too big for the space. So we're gonna have to cut off like a 1/4 inch from both sides just to keep it centered. Just put your weight on it. Okay, we only get one shot of this. All I have is 10 tools existing, so hope for the best. I'll use the electric. I think so too. Thank you, sir. No, I think that's just tape. Oh, kind of. Oh, that's okay. It's gonna be the very edge, and this part's tape. That's okay. Huh? Thank you, thank you. Yeah.
Wrap it Kelly Green again?
Yeah, you know it. Yeah, he's talking about my Varus bumper. This is the fake one, but I kind of mocked it up, just to give me an idea. There's the real Varus. Alright. Alright. Try two. Should I go in there? There you go, right there. Now mallet. Yo, I need to put it up on this side, look. There you go. Your side has to come down pretty. Yeah, I know. Unless that side can go up, you know what I mean? Keep it maybe. Yeah, it's just a little bit off. Like you can see in the center, the U. That looks cool. Good job, fellas. Okay, we're gonna do something about that, but that's what I think too. Yeah, in the middle especially. We could take it off the side and then just hammer it down. Thanks, dude. Yo, I finally did it with these guys' help. Just gonna lightly screw in the rest. Yeah, so. Hey, nice. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere music good. Yeah, it's sick.
That's cool, man.
It's official. Good work, good work. Yeah, good work. It's official, finally. Guys, after much deliberation and months of planning and working things out logistically, we finally have the store sign. It's the recognizable green, so you won't miss this, but it looks sick. I planned this out for the longest time. Like, I made drafts. It looks exactly like the concept. Yo, guys gotta check this out. Look at this custom King's Mr. Eyes shirt. What's your name, man?
Mike.
Mike, pleasure, and Holly. So these guys are actually from out of town, from Lethbridge, and they made their way down here just to visit us, but that is so dope. Do you guys have an Instagram? Maybe I can plug it in?
DJ_cupcake, but a 3 instead of an E.
Thanks for stopping by, guys. Awesome.
Definitely see the car on the Instagram soon.
All right, finished up at the garage. I'd say today, good day's work. I think for the rest of the night, we're just gonna head back home to the studio base and game it up with the fellas. So see you guys back at home. Yo, back at home, and before I end this video, there is a small announcement I want to make. So we're finally starting to get prototypes for our upcoming spring collection, which is also our anniversary drop. I'll show you guys some of the items we've been working on. It's a black zip-up hoodie with our logo on the front. Has gold chrome crosses on the side. I'll put it over here to show you guys what the back looks like. If you compare it to this bandana, I think this stencil design is gonna be our mask for this year. Okay, so the announcement before I end this video. I've made it easy and I've laid it out on the floor for you guys. So there's a couple new things here that aren't even on the website yet. This is the version 3 of the Midnight Kids hoodie. And as you can see, it is full custom cut and sew. On the sleeves, you have the thumb holes and you have the high collar. And of course, it's sporting the old KMR design. What's cool is it even has our logo tab stitched on the sleeve. What you also get in this package are these KMR socks. You'll be the first in the world to receive these. I'll be throwing in a handful of randomly selected stickers from the website. This is a balaclava, or what I like to call a tactical mask. Highly sought after on the website, and I'm throwing the last one we have in inventory in this care package. You're getting a Black Kings Moisturized lanyard, this KMR air freshener, an Onichu dust mask, and the latest license plate frame design. So you guys can win all of this. Super easy. For your chance to enter to win this care package, all you have to do is go to the Kings Moisturized webpage and pick yourselves up one of these super rare Birdie Chew trading cards. I've also taken the liberty of signing the back for you. But consider this a rare print, and also it's a set. One of these counts as one entry to win this package, and you also get a random selected sticker that I'll be throwing in the package. So you guys have until Wednesday. I'm planning on doing the draw on the 7th of February to pick up one of these from the website. Cheers. This is just my way of introducing you guys to the next line of merch that's coming up early spring. Right now I'm just waiting for the rest of my products to be delivered, but coming soon. So that's pretty much it for updates and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to stop by this channel and for watching this video. Even if you're a subscriber or not, I appreciate you nonetheless. And also we do plan on having more car related content come out on the Lost Royalty YouTube channel. So if you guys want, you can head over to that channel and subscribe as well. For those curious about my art side, I do have an art channel called It's Birdie on YouTube, so on your spare time. For now, I have to catch up with my work, but I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Ciao.